Got one at 334. Okay, 334. This is my second one I got so far. There we go. So far I got both of them off of one of my own Jazzysaint Hanties. Kind of a whitish gray body and tail with a white jig head with gold eyes, and I put a pink collar on it. It's a 32nd ounce. Plus I got one of my bell sinkers. That's a 1/8 sinker. Let's see if we can get a couple more out of here. Okay. There we go, about 30 feet out.
Well, I know they're on TV. Are you catching anything?
I just caught a couple. Ah, you distracted me. What'd you say?
You got them on TV, you can watch them on video.
Right. I got a YouTube channel that I put them on.
Really?
Yeah. Jazzysaint Crappie Fishing. Got him at 345. Oh, he's going to be too little. Okay, buddy. Be still for a minute. Oh yeah, he's definitely too small. There we go, though. He's still a crappie. Got him at 347. Oh, it was a crappie. It was a nice one too. I lost him. Got him about 2 feet from the boat and lost him at 347. Got him at 348. Oh, he's really a small one. but he's still a crappie. It's about time I started hitting them with my Jazzysaint Hanties. I was getting a little worried there. Got him at 349. Okay. Got one. At 417. I'm not keeping him. Got him. Got him at 420. Oh, and I lost him again. Come on, man. At 420, I lost a nice one. Got him at 431. Okay, they just seem to be a bunch of little ones here. Ouch, that's in the finger. We don't want that now, do we? Another dink. Got him at 439. Okay, we're gonna have to go find something that's biting with better size. That's what we're gonna have to do. They're fun to catch though. Got him at 445. But they all seem to be he'll be a keeper at least, a 10. If you don't jump out the boat. 11 and a half, 11 and a half, black crappie. Yes, sir. Got him. Got him at 457. He feels like it could be almost a decent one compared to what I've been catching. And he's at least, he's probably at 11. There we go. Let's see how long he is. About 11 and a half. Another 11. At 501. There we go. 501. I like it. At 508. He's not going to be big enough. And he just broke my line. How could this little old thing break my line? I don't know. Got this at 5:14, folks. I forgot I turned my camera off to tie that knot.